When driving slowly forwards into a parking space, touch the parking aid icon. An overhead view of the vehicle and the surrounding area is displayed. The vehicle's predicted pathway, based on the position of the steering wheel, is also displayed. Any obstacles within the vehicle's surroundings are displayed as coloured blocks. These coloured blocks depict the likelihood of a collision. When an object is detected that is in a collision course with the vehicle, a warning tone is also emitted. This increases in frequency as you move closer and becomes constant when the object is within 30 centimeters of the bumper. If you wish to cancel the view, touch the cross. When reversing into a parking space, the system automatically activates. The rear camera displays an image from the rear of the vehicle. Reversing guidance lines are overlaid on this image. The solid line represents the projected vehicle trajectory. The short horizontal line is the luggage compartment access guidance line. Do not go back any further than this if you need to access the luggage compartment area. The coloured blocks indicate that the parking aid sensors have detected an object that the vehicle has the potential to collide with. To select cameras, touch the camera icon. To select an alternative view, touch the camera image icons or arrows to select the associated camera image. Touch the 360-degree icon to display a bird's eye view. When using the parking aid system, always observe your surroundings and take action if required.